Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I will write 10 lines about our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The first line is Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last prophet of Allah. And the second line is he was born in Makkah in 571 AD. He belonged to the Quraysh tribe. His father's name was Abdullah, his mother's name was Bibi Amna. He was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. He was married to Hazrat Khatija Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. He taught people the difference between right and wrong. He spread Islam peacefully. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known as Sadiq and Amin for his truthfulness and trustworthiness. His life is a perfect role model for everyone. His teachings emphasize compassion, justice, and the importance of social responsibility.